We shall be using the following ingredients: some vegetable or sunflower oil, 1 or 2 medium-sized onions, chicken liver or diced beef, depending on how you like it, mixed vegetables, 2 red peppers, salt, long grain rice, chicken stock powder or stock cubes, dried thyme and curry powder, cooked prawns. Boil the rice, if not boiled already, until cooked. This takes approximately 20 minutes. In another pot, add your liver, water, and chicken stock. Then cook for about 10 minutes or until the liver is cooked thoroughly. Put some oil in a pan and heat. Then add the boiled rice and stir. Cover and leave to steam cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Next, add the onions, your mixed veg, the chopped boiled liver, curry and thyme, and stir the mix. Allow to steam for a few minutes. Now add your prawns. Mix and heat for a few minutes. Then serve with meat, chicken, salad or moi moi.